Cutting. Take copper with a width of 50 mm and a thickness of 4 mm as an example. Click on Work to enter the work interface. Enter the length and quantity of the copper you want to cut. Click Manual to switch to Auto. Click Start, step on the pedal, the machine begins to operate. Once the servo reaches the preset position, it will automatically stop. Put in the copper, step on the pedal, and start cutting. Punching. Click Design to set the parameters. Enter the length, width of the copper, and the number of holes. In the video, standard for holes as an example. If we want to punch holes in the copper head, click Head. Here the processed copper diagram will be displayed. After setting the parameters, click Work. Click Manual to switch to Auto. Click Start, press the pedal, start auto positioning. When the servo reaches the preset position, it will automatically stop. Then we put in the copper and step on the pedal to punch the holes. Bending. Click Position Bending. Select the corresponding mold number for installing the mold on the machine. Input the width, thickness of the copper, and the angle number and number of workpieces that you want to bend. Enter positioning distance and bending angle. Click Manual to switch to Auto. Click Start, step on the pedal, position and bend.